Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Do you know that something is about to hit? Something is about to happen. Do you know the latest update right now? There is going to be protest in Nigeria on 1st of August to 10th of August 2024. It is tagged Operation End Bad Government in Nigeria 2024. See, let me tell you something. There is a reason why you need to watch this video to the end, because you are going to learn a lot, and you are also going to drop your opinion in the comment section, because we all will sit here, watch the video, listen to the update, and analyze it more better. Drop your opinion in the comment section. See, this protest, as far as I know, they have been doing it for so long. They have been protesting every year. This year, next year, every time they have been doing it, saying, oh, they are tired of hardship, they are tired of bad government, the hardship is too much, oh, they want to change everything. And they decided that every August they will mark it as a protest. But the question here is, for how long will you continue with this protest? For how long will you continue to cry until the federal government hear your cry? For how long will this hardship persist? For how long will this change? For how long will you continue to run from one place to another? For how long will you continue to call for protest? Now, I don't really want to talk too much. I want to listen to what one of our brothers said, and I'll be right back.
About this bad government, we go start next month, August. Make I just talk one thing about them. I dey hear something, I dey hear say this protest, as in this protest, you know, say no man, we dey protest. Say, may they make a peaceful protest. Peaceful protest. Now, waiting, people they only talk about that. Peaceful protest. But again, waiting me, I want clear all of now. Waiting me, I want clear people for you. Una know say, we don't dey protest. You don't take. You don't take where we don't dey protest. But yet, nothing change. We don't see any positive things. Nothing change. We just dey protest. Nothing change. Nigeria still remain the same way. As in, it not even remain the same way. Say, even getting worse. Getting badder self. So what me I say about protest now be say, if I say all of us feel unite, feel cooperate, wallahi more turn out to more all this house of assembly, all these their places where all of them they go hide themselves. Maybe say soldiers say, make soldiers say join us, police join us, all these air force, navy, make everybody join us. If I say that cooperation go there, I swear the eye go correct. Now because they get back up now. They get back up now. If I say that they are back up no day, all these our leaders. If I say they don't get back up, they don't go. This thing for now they continue like this. If I say all these soldiers where they guide them, all these mopu, all these bouncer where they carry people. So I say all of them say, join hands with civilians, with all of everybody join hands together. We can't face them. What you call remain again? They go change. They go even beg for their lives. They go even beg. This hardship like this go stop. Wallahi. Now me they talk am. Make everybody unite. Both soldier, both police. All of us unite. No more peaceful protest again now. Because peaceful protest no they work. Yes. Peaceful protest, you know they work. More turn out to one man, more enter so scatter everywhere. More shook, waiting no good. More no just kill, but more shook. If you don't carry knife, dagger, shook one senator for like this, yeah, go correct. Now they collect 500 million naira. For waiting. For waiting. Exactly. For what exactly? Nigeria stay there with the suffer. Only the wire us. Again, now where to go happen with that? No more peaceful protest. We don't need that. We don't need peaceful protest. We don't need peace because we don't even get the peace. We don't get peace. So I want to do that peaceful protest. Where the peace there? Tinubu give us peace. So we won't come protest now. We can't dey do peaceful protest. Like, you know, come in peace. We go scatter everywhere. Aje, wọ́n bí yàyàn kò sẹ́jọ́. Wọ́n bí yàyàn.
Hey, you see that this our brother made a statement and said, "I wish we all can unite. I wish there will be unity, that even the uniform men, they will join us to make sure things go well. Everybody will come out and make sure things go well and speak in one voice and speak in one accord, especially the uniform men, to protect them." He said, "I wish these people will understand the level of gravity of hunger, hardship that have hit the country." Now, he also answered the question by himself, because he was not really sure if these people will work in unity, if these people will work in oneness. Now, there is something that happened that we will never forget. EndSARS protest. We know exactly what happened. We know a lot of crying in the country as at then. We know a lot of weeping. We know everything that happened. But today, the people that are bearing the consequences right now, the people that are bearing the pains, they are the family of the disease. People that lost their life, family members, they are crying, children, a lot of things happen right now that the country is not really there to carry the burdens of those people. Hence the reason why a lot of people are saying for this August protest, they will not come out. Now, another thing, you wanted to protest and you have come out to tell the government you want to protest, you want to do this, you want to do that. Believe me, even before the protesters get to the venue on that day, the uniform men, they are there already. Either they tear gas them, either they fight them, either they send them out from that place. In one way or the other, they must surely do something to scare the people, because the uniform men, they are not ready. And a lot of people are making reference to Kenya. They said the youth in Kenya, all of them, they step out and they said they need good government. But it never reached that level for Nigeria, because we never get the momentum to stand for what we really want. Yes, we need freedom. We are tired of the hunger. We are tired of this. But when somebody calls, okay, let us go and take our freedom, everybody will join us back. In fact, this protest that is about to happen, to me, is not going to function in a lot of states in Nigeria, because people are scared. Example, the southeastern part of Nigeria, if you come out now say you want protest, even before you say the before you go come the test, they don't do you what they want to do, you don't go. Your family will only cry, your family will only complain. At the end of the day, nothing will happen, nobody will pay for it. So this is the reason why a lot of people are so afraid to come out, because definitely, like this, our brother said in this video, the uniform men, they are not ready to protect you. The government is not ready to protect you. If you like, you cry from here to Jericho, they are not ready to protect you. They've put a kind of fear in the heart of the citizen. In fact, some of them, when they shout, bad government, bad government. If they give their smart nana, the music will change. If they compensate them with something, carry them enter office, give them correct champagne, the music will change. They will even sell and buy the heart of the genuine people. So on that day, you will see that nobody is even ready to talk. The people you relied on, that they are going to be the front runner in this protest, they are going to fight for you, they are going to speak for you. Oh, this brother is a voice of the voiceless. On that day, you will meet all of them absent. It's going to be a total blow on you. So sit down and think of what you got to do that will stop this hardship, of which our brother have said they've been protesting for years and still there is no fruit. But people say keep on. But people said keep on the protest, keep on pushing. One day things will be better. So I ask, for how long? So my beautiful family, I said let me bring this to your table, that something is about to happen again in Nigeria. August 1st to 10th of August, they are mounting their guard for protest. Please drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you think that protest is the way out, or comment if you have any other means that things can change more better? So thank you so much, everyone. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analyst, as I bring all the updates to you back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.